Today, I'm going to show you how to create personalized meal plans using ChatGPT. Whether you have specific dietary needs, fitness goals, or just want to try new recipes, ChatGPT can help you design the perfect meal plan. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your goals and preferences. Start by telling ChatGPT right here what you're aiming for. Here's an example prompt right here. Let's say, for instance, "Hi ChatGPT, I want to create a weekly meal plan. I'm a vegetarian, aiming for a balanced diet with about 2,000 calories a day. I like a variety of foods and prefer simple recipes." Now, let's see how ChatGPT would suggest for us. As you can see, the meal plan covers all meals of the day, ensuring variety and balance. But let's delve deeper into the suggestions and see how it aligns with our dietary goals and preferences. But before that, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Step 2. Customize and optimize. Now that we have a basic outline right here that ChatGPT had generated, we can ask ChatGPT to customize it further. Maybe you want more variety or specific recipes. Let's refine our request. So let's say, "ChatGPT, can you provide a vegetarian meal plan with different meal options to choose from for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day?" Here we go. Now let's see. Here's what it came up with right now as it's currently processing. Now we have even more meal ideas to keep our week interesting and nutritious. ChatGPT really helps in ensuring that you don't get bored with your meals. Here we go. It's currently processing. There are different meal options for you to choose from for breakfast, lunch, and dinner all week. Yeah, really interesting, right? And now the final step, get recipes. For each meal, you can ask ChatGPT for specific recipes. Let's take one of the dinners from our plans. Let's say a veggie stir fry with tofu, snap peas, bell peppers, and sesame soy sauce over brown rice. Let's go with this one. Let's just highlight it, then click reply so the ChatGPT will know how specify it is to be generated. And here's how I can ask. "ChatGPT, can you provide a recipe for," here's what I highlight, or you can just copy this and paste it over here for the prompt. But let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this one. Wow. As you can see, it's really easy. That was really easy. Now, see, there are all the instructions, there are the ingredients right here, just to be specified based on the highlighted recipe that you want to make it more detailed. But let's take another meal from our plan and ask for its recipe as well. For example, let's go for lunch. Let's say lentil soup with carrots, celery, and tomatoes. Let's highlight it again, then use the same prompt. "ChatGPT, can you provide a recipe for," this one right here. Then hit enter once again. And here's the other detailed recipe ChatGPT provided. With these detailed recipes, you can easily prepare each meal in your plan. ChatGPT makes it simple to get everything you need, from meal plans to step-by-step cooking instructions. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, creating personalized meal plans and finding recipes is quick and easy.